I've got thunder. Oh.
Put the timer on first.
Yeah, good man. Ooh.
Just pull the door to, please,
Oh
mate.
yeah. Sure. Oh, that looks beautiful, mate. That looks beautiful.
It is still wet, so, but feel free to walk around if you can squeeze through.
That is lovely, mate. What's the colour called?
I'll show you in a sec.
Very nice, dude. Can you show me also when it's assembled?
Yeah.
And I can go for a spin in it?
That's all it says.
Industrial paint. Hang on. Acrylic gloss blue. Collar box. Cool. Very nice. Alright then, buddy. Are you going to come around for a coffee?
Yeah, why not?
Come on, man. You need to let this place aerate a bit. Oh man, the power of that rumble. The power of that rumble, man. Yeah, it's incredible. Right guys, we've got Ray's bought his little this is dudestock, by the way. We've got dudestock there, and we've got Ray the tinkerer. Dude, you've been out in your workshop all day.
Yep.
You gonna come for a burger in a minute?
If you want me to.
I do. If I want you to, man. What are you talking about? If you want a burger, you come over. If you don't, you don't. Right. Tony's dressed very dapper today. Beautiful.
I'm out of my work clothes, that's the only difference.
He's out of his work clothes. There it is. Little Austin J40. That is so nice, man. That is so
very
nice.
cool, isn't it?
It's beautiful, mate.
I tell you, I'd look king of the road in there.
Can I,
Yeah. It's not perfect, the steering wheel is broke, but yeah, it does turn.
is it functional, mate?
Yeah. Yeah, pedals work.
Do you know,
Even the handbrake works.
it's got a handbrake in it?
Have you got it? Yeah? You've tried, have you? Cheeky shot. You've tried to get it.
We've got little Garrett next door, man. Can little Garrett have a go in it?
Oh, wow.
It's got spark plugs in it, man. That's brilliant.
That's top notch.
Austin made it, apparently.
Austin what? Mr. Austin. Austin.
I'm gonna take a photo of Tony there, man. Tony, you look good there, dude. With a little blue.
This car looks good in front of me.
That is beautiful, mate. Tony, can you just kneel down like I am?
Pretend like I'm in it.
That's it. Sorted. That's good, mate. Wicked. Right, come for a burger, dude. All right.
Yeah.
I'll see you in a minute. Thank you very much for showing us, man.
No problem.
Much appreciated. look. I've just thrown it on, dude. I don't even know if the angle's right or anything. It don't look far off, but it is.
Is that lovely bit there on the back stopping it from going back? Can you see it? Where you're that bit there?
Here.
Just cut that little chunk out and then that whole thing will go back.
Yeah. I need to go and get a measurement now, don't I? Get a feel for it. About 17 inches. Two inches.
Out.
Yeah.
You gotta remember that piece of metal that you've screwed it to is a bit that they've added.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we don't know if that's in the right place. The original parts here, the shit they've added here, maybe cut the top off. That's the bit that they've added, maybe.
Well, we're not going to work here now. I'm just trying to get this in the right place so I can do my in there. Mine in there, yeah? Not anyone else's.
No, yours.
So we want about there. Dude, can you see if you can get this? Basically, when just by eye, get it centre. Yeah, with a that round cup. Can you get that thing to the centre roughly? Yeah. Yeah, that'll do, dude. I'm going to weld that there first. Yeah, on that just there next to it. And then if you hold that there or that sort of thing.
Yeah.
Switch it on, dude. Turn the gas on and all that. That's it. Yep, that's it. Hold it. Take that over that side. Don't spark it on the car. Let's do it. All the time like the president and all that. Go on. I've got both sides. Yeah? Right, now get your tape measure. Try it from here, dude. 7 inches.
From where, sorry?
From that edge to this. No, from there. Down there. Yeah. Watch out, dude. Do you want to measure again, dude, just to make sure we're at the right place? Okay, now do the other one. Yeah. Sorry. 6. That's close enough. For rusty glove standards, anyway.
Yeah. What's your love stand?
I'm going to put another blob on that while it's. Yeah, know what I mean? I can go ahead and do this malarkey around here, which will probably take me about 2 to 3 full working days on this. Unless it's quicker this time, because I've already done one. So we're only 1/4 inch out, aren't we? I'm alright with that, dude. Well, all I'm doing, dude, is welding this in round about the right place, yeah?
Okay.
So this thing is in and out, round around the right place. This is a different tackling thing altogether. Yeah, but I have to put it on to replicate what the other car was saying. What did I say? What did I measure on the other car? What did I measure on that